Meaning of Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Independence Day, also known as the 4th of July, is a federal holiday in the United States that commemorates the signing of the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776. This document declared the American colonies' independence from Great Britain, marking the beginning of a new nation. The day is celebrated with parades, fireworks, and family gatherings to honor the country's history and founding principles of liberty and democracy. It is a time for Americans to reflect on their shared heritage and the sacrifices made by their ancestors to secure the country's freedom.